Look at this.
That's how the video is starting, by the way.
I can see that. I can see that now.
Yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up, Machahari?
So, us, welcome. First time. Third video, he came off loud.
That's right.
Good start, yeah.
Busy man. Hard to catch. Busy man now.
You can say it that way, yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Hari, tell Macha. Tell strategy, da.
Yeah, bro.
Tell of
Hari has an idea.
strategy.
So, the idea which I had was, first of all, we're very jobless, okay? So, simply this idea came up. See, you've looked at all those videos, you know. Like, for example, you've seen Worth It by BuzzFeed.
Even I'll keep fucking penda. I look smarter,
Bro.
I think. Tell.
Bro, they go around, like, first of all, they have a website where they put up articles, reviews basically, and it's basically like in the beginning you'll have to put out news articles about something very local which people will read. Okay, you have to start with something very close by. So first of all, starting out is a problem. Once you start getting traffic, we can actually outsource the entire job. We can have freelancers writing, and we can give them the topic, and we can tell them what we expect, and we can get them to write in articles for us, which we'll be putting it up, and then we'll have some fee for them. Okay. So my main idea was, for example, we don't have really good editors. We don't have really good reviewers for stuff in Bangalore. We start with Bangalore, then we spread. Like, for example, all of us went to Toit. No, Rohit didn't come, but we went to Toit. So imagine making a properly edited video of that. Like, for example,
Okay.
it's like, bro, okay, even before editing, like, we need proper recording and all that. No, we can do all that. Like, we have seen BuzzFeed videos, no, Worth It and all. The camera work is not that, it's not some out of this world camera work. It's all about editing. So that's good for us. First of all, buying the camera will be tough. Okay, so we can
finding an editor also, like, who's editor here? Who do we know as editor?
Bro, editing we can learn.
Hari is learning.
Hari knows.
Editing legit we can learn. I'm not even kidding, it's not that tough. Okay. Me and
You're creative
Rohit
and all, Macha, for that.
Bro, I think like we can learn that also, bro. Creativity, I'm pretty sure you have some creativity. Don't tell you have none. Okay.
See, remember Hari's photos, huh? Hari's edited photos.
Okay.
You remember
Hari's
Rohit's
edit
photos? Me and Rohit both used to edit. Those were really good.
What is that app? Snap something?
Shit, I forgot all that, bro.
We used to use Snapseed and PicsArt and all.
Snapseed. Yeah.
Bro, Snapseed only full heavy Snapseed used to use.
Yeah, bro.
One guy, he dropped some scam. He downloaded PicsArt. It's some default thing and he went off. Like,
No. PicsArt was good. PicsArt was good. There are certain things you could do in PicsArt which you couldn't do in Snapseed. Yeah,
PicsArt is too heavy, bro. It's not. You can't make it original because if you apply one filter, it'll become a new thing only. Like, it'll completely change off now. Like, you know, too much work is not there. But then Snapseed.
Yeah, but there were certain things which you could do in PicsArt in one step, which Snapseed needed like 10 steps. You know what I'm saying, no? And then in PicsArt, that one step itself, you could adjust the level of that filter also. Okay, anyways.
Okay, fuck it, continue.
Okay, you've seen, so like even till now, no, the most views I've seen for any Bangalore like restaurant video is that bald guy, bro. He keeps going around eating, no? I mean,
where is that? Hoskote.
Yeah, Hoskote.
Biryani.
Something like that, bro. So even this also, what we're doing, no, we're doing podcasts, okay, but we can put all of these.
You want to call it that? Okay, but
see, we can put all of these under one playlist. We can have different content on the same channel. Understand what I'm saying? We can have reviews of not just, bro. We can have interviews also. We can start out small. See, first of all, no.
Yeah.
Even these videos which we're doing, I mean, this is like the third video. You'll have to make a proper intro, like a just a flash, like 2-second flash of put on scene podcast will come. Okay, listen, bro, listen, okay, and then little bit of editing we'll learn. Right now we're just uploading what we simply recorded. No, little bit of editing, beginning and the end, like all these stuff and all. Okay, then and there are better softwares to record also. We are fucking doing it on Zoom. Okay, that and all we'll do. So once we start doing that, we can first market it among our friends. See, bro, I'll tell you how it works. How many friends pakka can you make them subscribe? How many can you do? So, Rohit, how many can you do?
40, 30, 40.
40,
Yeah,
no.
big man.
Wait, 40, okay. Rohit, 40. Okay,
Yo,
Swaz?
chill da. 3 people are there.
Swaz, tell how much. Swaz, let's go with 40.
40 is a lot, Rohit. I
Okay,
mean,
30
are you
da.
considering that directly or like through mutuals? I mean, obviously you get much
Okay, yeah,
more.
mutuals, no. Bro, let's totally consider 50 people, bro, from 3 of us. It's a huge underestimation. Let's imagine 50 people.
But then 50 people won't come down because there's too many like intersecting people, Like me and Suhas know so many people in common. You and me know so many people in common.
Yeah, I'm considering all that because you alone told 40. No, I'm considering all that and taking 50 as an underestimate from 3 people.
Fine, okay.
Okay.
So let's say the drop per level is, let's go with a huge overestimate of 50%. So those people, each of them can get 25 other people. Okay, subscribers.
That's over exaggerated. I mean, that's not under much. You're doing over a little bit. 50% you think people clip. How many?
Okay, let's go with 10 only.
Like,
let's go with 10 only. Keep 10. Okay, that's 50 plus 50 into 10. How much that?
Oh, so each 50 people are doing 10 people. Hey, what is this? Ideal case.
A very ideal case, okay. And then each of those 10, imagine they do one other person because of them.
It's ideal keep 50, now you give it 10.
Plus 10. So how much we have? 500, 560 here only. Okay. This will happen over 6 months, imagine. Okay. And because of the algorithm itself, if any other people also get to know about these videos, somehow we reach 1K, bro. Okay, if you keep posting, we'll reach 1K, no. That's when we start monetizing. Once you get 1,000 subs, that's when we start monetizing. Okay.
How does it work? How does that work? Like, do you have to get permission?
You need 400 for 4,000 watch hours.
4,000 watch hours.
Yeah, we have 0.3, I think. Yeah.
No, it's not just about that. Once we have proper subs, and that too, and if we can show that most of them are from Bangalore, we can start getting smaller and smaller people, like people of some okay, like we can start with some guy, some local guy who's done well in something like
lassi shop.
He's lassi shop guy. So I contacted this guy called something Murthy. Okay, he has done. Listen. He has made his house completely run on rainwater, harvested rainwater.
Damn.
He doesn't get the corporation water. He doesn't have a bowl. The only water
throughout the year.
Throughout the year. Everything that falls on his house, he stores it. He has proper storage systems, and he has every drop. The efficiency is almost close to 85%. That's huge for rainwater harvesting systems.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Okay, that's huge. So, and Bangalore has a lot of rain. So
I don't think it'll be fully at
I'm pretty sure it is. I'll just share the article which he had an interview with NDTV also. So such personalities who if we contact them the right way, we can actually get them to come on this. And if we show that we have the numbers and we have the views, so getting till here is the toughest part, Pacha. Once we get there, that networking we'll have to do really well. Okay. Once we get there, and once we start getting personalities, and you see, right now only we are speaking. Once we start getting people who have more content like to speak about, and people are willing to listen to him because he's candid here, he can speak aram. Like, also we won't be like it won't be like a very so it won't be like a news interview, any TV interview. It'll be like a very free interview. You've seen Joe Rogan, no?
Yeah.
We give him space. We give him space to speak and we chill out and we just talk to him normally, right? So that part where we talk to him normally and we talk sense, no, and then people see, bro, when people listen to sense, they're very like they want to listen more of it. Okay, so
Orgasm.
yeah, so yeah, exactly. When you saw Kanye West podcast, no, you were pretty psyched. No, later on you thought he was an idiot. I'm pretty sure. But
Before
in
and
the
after,
beginning,
pretty like when I was watching, I didn't think he was idiot. But then
yeah, bro, imagine
before the
before
podcast and after the podcast.
yeah, even the Bernie Sanders podcast, even the Andrew Yang podcast, in news channels, no, they only have like 5 minutes, and they're cut off after that. So even and India doesn't have a platform, very free platform like that. So we start getting these people, and we give them this platform to speak freely. Okay,
Mm.
this we'll have to do. We'll have to start with networking. I'm sounding very ambitious. You guys can speak up. I'm not even kidding.
Bro, I was
Okay.
thinking, if you want, I have a very clickbait kind of video title. Idea. Okay. There's a haunted house in Saint John, Saint Jane on the road. Okay, some full history and all is there. Like that. Oh fuck, they might have demolished the building, but then if it's there, we can go there.
Wait,
Nice
at Church Street,
thumbnail you
no?
put and put a clickbait title you put meaning enough. You get views.
Yeah,
It's on
bro.
Church
Like
Street, no, that
once
place.
the pandemic is done, continue. Once the pandemic is done, we can have different venues to have these discussions.
Yeah,
For
we
now,
can go to go also.
legit. If we start monetizing, if we get the cash, then we can, like, this channel only can fund us. That's what I'm saying.
See, that is much easier to do also, and I feel like that'll get views.
Yeah,
Travel and
bro.
food, bro. Travel and food.
Yeah.
And this, whatever
Interview
Rohit
that,
said, no, I mean,
you can interview that
haunted house, no, I
YouTuber
mean,
also from your campus. You have to
oh,
start
Yeah,
small.
so many.
we'll see.
You have to start small. Then
Hmm.
we can slowly start building on it. Because obviously, it's not like you call Nayan Murthy and he'll come and do interview with us. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, Murthy again. Bro, Baya, Murthy, are also Murthy.
Okay. Yeah. Tell your input, Machar. This is my point. Tell
Yeah,
what
bro.
you think about this and what other thing you have in mind.
So I think it's slightly ambitious. Okay, like 6 months is okay. It sounds like a lot and all, but then I don't think in 6 months we get that much traction. I mean, if we get well, I mean, good only. But then I don't think it's possible because, like my friends and all, like this Harish, I was telling you about. No, Curious Harish. That guy, he's been uploading videos from 2015 or something, and like till like around 7 months back, he had like 1K subscribers. Yeah. And then when he started getting, his channel started booming like crazy because he was coming on the full recommended and all. And now he has 70K. That's bro, from 1 to 70 was like insanely fast, bro. Like super speed, okay. But then
Did he
he was
actually
like
try
1K.
marketing? Till he got till
He did
1K.
try.
Bro,
No,
we
I
have a
don't
lot
think
of people, bro, and most of them are in colleges. I know this guy called Pratik Raviraj. Okay, have you heard of him, Pratik Raviraj? So Mahesh and all, he studied with me in CMR. So he's like right now what he does is I don't know, I'm not sure, but he has his deal with all these clubs and all. He has to get people from other colleges into the club, and every 10 people he gets in, he gets some bonus. So there are people like these who I know who have a network, and he can get people to subscribe. And I'm pretty sure there'll be many friends of yours also like that, right?
Sorry, but that specific example obviously has come much later, no?
Yeah,
Right now,
it
if
will
we
come.
start,
We start with first of all, we start with that group which you have, the G group. Okay, so I'm pretty sure they'll listen to some of this and make fun of us. Okay, in the beginning.
yeah, that's fine also. But see, I mean, you talk about watchers also, right? I mean, they have to watch the whole thing. If we have like this long videos,
Yeah. So
That's the best
main
part,
point.
bro.
So the main point
Watch
which
time
comes here is our production quality. So our production quality is, so obviously right now it's not that great because editing little. See, first of all, production quality, you'll have to start step by step. Okay, first we'll have to make an intro. We'll have to get better mics, right? And better webcams.
What is Rohit using right now? I have this right now. Rohit using laptop.
I'm using laptop only.
Yeah,
but I have extra lighting and shit. This was not in first two videos, so it's already an upgrade.
Yeah, like
Rohit's
that.
camera
We keep
also damn
getting
good.
better. See, bro, we keep getting better, and the way we speak. No, first of all, like me and Rohit have had many discussions, okay, about some mindfuck things, and those are really interesting discussions for others also to listen to. So instead of wasting time, no, and then discussing and this fucking it, like fucking forgetting about it, you can put it on this, no.
We have it here. Yeah.
Yeah. So, bro, I'm telling you, like after 10 videos, if our production quality is somewhat better, no, we can start getting more like very simple guess. We can start getting like our friends only, and then we talk about some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? We can get another friend of ours.
Yeah.
Okay. Imagine.
I think we should start with
Teja,
that only.
full marketing there only. Teja.
Yeah.
He put on
Imagine.
Insta
We get
story meaning gone.
we get Teja, Amay, and BK. Okay. We get Teja, Amay, and BK, and we start having. Okay. So I was laughing. Okay, so we have a discussion about stock trading. They're very involved in that. Okay.
All right.
We have a
Yeah.
discussion about that. And so, and then if they come and talk about it, someone else will watch this. So it spreads. So getting to that 1K mark is very difficult. 6 months is very ambitious, obviously. But we keep a target, we can achieve it. Okay. First of all, obviously, bro, like all of us, we have engineers, full exams and all. This will take up like max 1 hour per day. Or probably like four days a week. Not even 4. That's too much. 3 days a week. 1
Yeah.
hour will take.
If it's like we're just talking about things we usually talk about and we're just documenting it, that's good. I mean, it's not much of
bro,
work.
Nothing.
Other than
No homework,
editing you might
nothing.
have to do.
Huh?
Editing is something you have to figure out.
Peaceful.
Other than that,
Editing,
it should be
bro.
smooth.
Yeah, cause first of all, we're not going to edit too much because it has to be honest, right? We're just speaking it out loud. So in the beginning, we'll have to put one entry video, and in between Rohit, if he tells some shit and all, we'll have to remove that a little bit. Okay, and then at the end, we just put one. For example, we can start getting sponsors. Like if you get even if you start getting like 100 views, no.
Sponsors for what?
Very like small sponsors, bro. You can get any like, for example, you can get.
Red Bull.
No, not Red Bull won't come. So we'll figure that out. So
Yeah, like that is awesome. We can figure that out.
in the beginning, no. In the beginning, it'll be tough. But once we can get very simple. We can get sponsors for very simple shit also. See, bro. Like for example, if you talk to Practo, no. We can just tell them, just let us. We'll tell your name out loud at the end. We have these many views, and we'll give a link to your thing in our description, and you can give us coupons or something like coupons. We'll get you customers as well. We'll get you customers. We're giving a free ad at the end, not free ad. Okay, and so what happens to us is we get those coupons. In the beginning, we won't get cash directly. We'll have to start with coupons. But our main job is to use those coupons. See, first of all, those coupons are good for the company. Why it is good for us is our viewers who are watching us. I mean, it's really some fuck all shit, okay? But it
basically as you mean.
Yeah, bro. But I'm saying, okay, this is also much later on. But going till there, this will just okay. I'm going too much into business. Till then, we'll have to do this because it's fun.
Exactly.
You know, one more thing. Sponsors also, they're very hard to handle. Because my friend Devan, she got Unacademy sponsorship. Okay, he has like around 1 point something K subscribers, and he got Unacademy. He approached one Unacademy guy, and the guy was like, "Yeah, bro, we'll do off." Okay. So he was like, first you do 15 videos trial. Okay, 15 videos. He needs to plug an Academy name. He'll get $35 something per like 2 seconds something like that. Okay, in every video. Okay, so if depending on the response they get from the 15 videos, they'll proceed with the funding or no. But it says meeting has been upgraded and all. Okay,
that's good. Nice, Hari.
Very easy. Okay. Yeah, so when you're small, no, this one all when BT is there, like they because even they know they can't get too much value out of you, so they try to milk as much as possible. So they'll be like, 15 minutes, 35 bucks, 2 seconds is on scam, no, like it's not.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he makes 6-minute videos and all, okay, And then
Yeah.
even if he talks for like 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, like doesn't seem like a lot, because talking about Unacademy for 20 seconds in a random video is not, I mean, it's not very nice also. It's like you become a sellout suddenly. Like
I know. So, but
we
we'll
need
have
to
to
get
figure that out. In the beginning,
we
it's
need
only
to get
that.
like proper sponsors.
Yeah.
Hey, but
So
this
that
whole sponsor thing also, it comes much later today.
it's
What
much
do you
later.
think?
Yeah, I know. It's much later, dude. Like I don't know how this came into conversation, but this is
We need to
we
get
didn't
much
know.
of 5K minimum, bro. Before we do all this 5K, we need, bro. 1K also, bro. What to
Yeah.
do 1K? 5.
So we need to yeah, bro. And first of all, no, whatever we talk on this, it's completely free. Like so as you can come anytime. And we just talk about issues. Like for example,
Yeah.
yeah, shut the fuck up. You're
Yeah.
coming. Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, you don't worry. I'm here now, no?
Yeah, bro. See, for example, like no, you can talk about random shit, bro. Like for example, recently the elections happened, no, in US.
Mm.
Then what? So as you're a US citizen,
No, dude. What are you saying?
you used to live there, no?
So
Yeah, I
you know,
was there
season,
for it. That's what, Harry. Just stay there for some time doesn't mean citizen. But okay.
You don't even speak Kannada, bro. Too much you're acting.
What do you
knows,
mean?
bro.
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Hey, ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
When he's done, he'll talk to Gada, macha. No one normally doesn't come.
Once him and his dad picked me up from AITS, no, you should right. Near
You don't
Bunch
tell all this,
bro.
eh?
It's fine. Shut up, yeah. His dad
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏಯ್.
His dad speaks proper North Karnataka Kannada, okay? This guy doesn't know shit.
Say what you want, Harry. I can speak, bro.
Okay, yeah.
Time and place, everything.
Okay. So,
Before you divert it, what were you saying?
what was I saying?
You're
I can come
saying
anytime, yeah.
elections.
Yeah, so we can start
for some
talking about
reason.
something like that.
But the problem is, like, when you're putting this stuff on the internet, no, you need to be factually correct, macha. Like, even if you say shit, no, people get pissed. Like, oh, macha, this lot of talks all crap, macha. Time waste for leave off.
See, first of all, no, you'll have that consciousness. It's not like you'll say some random unverified shit and then it's not like that. Even if it's unverified, you'll have another conversation with someone. So it's
You just
fine.
said something very unverified.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you looking at there?
What the fuck? Okay, now I'm sorry, bro.
Swas, bro. Yeah. So we can just talk about stuff.
Hey, but I'll tell you one thing about this podcast now. We're doing this for fun, right now. But then, do you think people will watch right now all these hour-long,
No.
half-hour long ones?
No.
Not now, bro.
Yeah.
But they need to build credibility over time. No one's gonna watch.
Yeah, that only.
1 hour
Don't you think we should have like
watching 3 hours
Don't you
talk
think?
shit.
Hey, so don't you think we should have smaller videos for smaller, like these food kind of
No.
videos, something that catches people. Like people won't directly just watch us talking. Other than our friends, no. I mean, I don't think anyone else watch.
How
So
the
to
fuck
start,
you
we
know
have.
this get this big, bro? Lodi.
See, the thing is, no. See, for example, you saw our first video, no?
Yeah, I did.
It was crap. Okay, but our second video, we had a good discussion.
See, it's not about it being bad also.
No, I'm saying, like, for example, see, it keeps getting better. First of all, we're all new to this. We have never been in a position where whatever we speak, and then we actually speak really proper conversation. We get it recorded and then we put it up on the internet. It's never happened.
Obviously.
Also, yeah. So once we get used to having this conversation, no, it keeps getting better. Like I'm pretty sure like the 5th video will be better than the 4th. And the 10th will be better than the 5th.
Yeah. I'm not saying it won't get better, but will people want to watch this right now from the start? Maybe we should do this. We'll do this. We'll keep doing this. But I think it attracts a lot
I
of
don't
people.
think so, actually.
Like,
bro, would you click on a video which says
people...
video? Would you click on it? I won't even click on it, bro. Like, I won't even give it a chance.
Yeah, this is like the 3rd video, no? Like from the next video, first of all, this video again, we didn't have any topic to speak on properly. We just started out.
We might have.
No, but we are mainly discussing about our podcast itself. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we have a particular topic to speak on, normally we want to speak about it. No, it's something interesting. We want to talk about it. So we come on this. It's like having a normal meet. It's like three of us meet somewhere, and then we had a discussion,
Or
we just put it up. That's all.
Do you want to get like people from the beginning itself? Like, this Suhas might know this. This Machan, this guy is doing. Our friend Naman, casting commerce. Yeah, he has YouTube channel. No, Naman.
Naman, yeah.
Yeah, that channel has like some 200 views. Okay, they have like 3 videos. First one has like 150 views because it was an introduction. Everyone like from Bitsonant shared it and shit because obviously friends and I shared. Okay, and that has like around 200 views. Okay, and then same that only they got off around 150 subscribers. Okay, the third video they got Zero the founder. Zero the founder. Yeah, they did marketing. Wait, I need to check this once. I don't want to be wrong, but wait one second.
That's possible, but
so should you Macha, you can grow faster, Macha, like if we do this, because if no, they got FinShots. No, not Zero. FinShots founder they got off. How cool is that? That's the third video, Macha.
Yeah. But it's not just like it's a random channel. No, I mean they're from BitScore. They have a club in BitScore, so
yeah,
the Wall Street Club also. But the Wall Street Club, no, I mean so.
Yeah, I mean first of all they use the BitsPilani tag to get him, and then he was assured that all the people from BitsPilani will watch that video.
There is
it's not a problem.
What benefit can we pitch for anything? I mean, right now, obviously later the viewership thing.
We can talk to like all these small startups, like all these startup founders and all. From LinkedIn only we can connection because you send me, ask them for a 45 minutes podcast with free meaning. I mean, why not? I mean, I would do it if someone approached me, I'll do off. I mean, if I was a startup founder.
It is possible. For SA also, no. SA Baha, we have tried to invite people from the field, aerospace. I mean, it's not very relevant here, but it is possible. Like, people will come and do it.
Yeah, but what I thought was like, we'll do that. But like, this is how it begins. And then like later on, slowly we'll start getting those people. Or do you want to do that from the beginning?
You can grow faster, no, that way, because you have some famous fellow in the title, and that guy, if that guy shares on his socials, we'll get more views. No?
But how will we get him?
On our channel. LinkedIn keeps spamming on LinkedIn. One fellow will accept one at least.
Maybe start with someone we know. Maybe start with someone we know.
Podcast, so can you please come on it?
Yeah.
Or some student, bro. I mean, some student we might know who just graduated, made a startup. Someone from BitSource we could do.
Yeah, I can get Harish now, the cell guy. The guy with 70k subscribers. No, I can get the guy. He's my friend only.
But for what?
I mean, I don't want this to be on camera, but yeah, I mean, Chuma randomly talk me, he'll come. He's a nice guy.
No, I meant like someone's already made a startup, some alumni kind of guy who can just talk about what they've done.
Cool. So this is like what put on Z number 3. For the 4th one, we'll try calling someone.
I don't know.
Yeah,
do short notice, like what?
See, it's like imagine every video we have someone from alumnus or someone talking about what they did, how they did.
That is the plan, but we have to show them we have subs. At least 100 subs you need. And we need, and then we can flex the BitsPilani tag. We can tell them we'll share it in our groups, and then BitSeams will watch it. We can do all that, and we share it. People will watch it also. We can get people watching it.
I don't know exactly, bro. I mean, I see where you're coming from, but I still don't not sure about how many people click on this kind of videos if they're so long and if they were just chilling. I mean, our friends will definitely watch it, but
yeah, there is meme material from properly nice from here. But at least
maybe we'll go visit some place.
Bro, if there's proper discussion, people do watch it. Bro, 3-hour videos and all. 3 hours videos and all. A lot of people watch podcasts.
But that's because the channel has credibility. You watch Joe Rogan because you know it's going to be good.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. It takes time, but we need to start now.
Yeah, we need to start.
Yeah, anyway, we don't have that much time. No, I mean, we can just keep doing this. We can keep doing this. We don't have to think too much.
Yeah, that's my thing. We keep doing this. Okay, this is the 3rd video. The fifth video, we'll get better at this conversation.
Right.
And then we share it with our friends. We start getting subs. And then slowly our conversation get better. So step by step, we start getting a not so very popular guy first, who has a lot of info to tell, who has a lot of insight. There'll be smart people who are not very popular, but we know they're smart and they have a lot to speak of. So we can get them first. We can get them first. And then his conversation would be so good. And all the ideas which he puts on this podcast will be so good. So we share it with our friends. Bro, listen to him. He has so and so ideas about so and so topics. He speaks really well. You can watch this podcast. So those people watch it. If they like it, they share it. You know what I'm saying? So we need good conversation first. Obviously, we have to start with ourselves.
That'll take time.
Now, that'll take time, bro. Yeah, I mean, we're doing this. You'll have to start by thinking that we're doing this for fun. If we start with the business aspect itself, this won't go anywhere. What I explained till now was the future. Because you need to know your destination first. You can't simply go on the road and
we got it.
On the journey.
Point A to point B.
Yeah, we got it. I'll reach Hassan, bro. Don't worry. Bengaluru to Hassan.
You don't have to know that you're going to Hassan, but then you should know at least the Macha Hubli Dharwad side, Macha, or if the Macha Karnataka side. That much. I mean, unless you're Hari will know.
Unless you're Hari,
Hari will tell Macha, I'm going from Bangalore to Kanyakumari, Macha. That's all. Nothing will tell off.
We'll put this out right here. Hari gives great advice. Hari is a very wise man.
No, I honestly feel that I'm not joking at all. I mean, actually.
Yeah, we're not joking there.
Look at my face. Do you think I'm joking? I mean, I'm smiling now, but then I mean, it's not meant to happen.
Okay,
sorry, Hari. Sorry. Don't get offended there. Oh, the guy looks like Prithvi Shah. I'm not kidding, bro.
Hari,
Yeah, he looks like Prithvi Shah, pakka. But a little more mature version of Prithvi Shah. Like, you have beard and all.
Okay, I think they know enough about Hari now. Should we call it number 3?
Okay.
What are you looking at, Hari?
What are you doing there? Are you multitasking?
Oh, assignment.